These 5 habits are ruining your life. You might not even realize it. First, procrastination. Putting things off just turns small tasks into last-minute nightmares. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Second, negative self-talk. Your brain believes what you tell it, so stop calling yourself stupid or lazy. Would you tolerate someone else talking to you that way? So 3, phone addiction. Checking your phone every 5 minutes destroys your ability to focus. Try this. Put your phone in another room when working. You will get 3 times more done. 4, people pleasing. Saying yes to everyone else means saying no to yourself. Boundaries are not rude, they are necessary. 5, skipping sleep. Every hours of lost sleep costs you next day productivity. Protect your sleep like your success depends on it, because it does. So ditch these habits and watch your life get easier. Which one is your biggest struggle? Let me know in the comments.